These uber uplifting and furiously fun self-improvement tips are for you and you alone. 1. Laugh out loud. Laugh until your cheeks hurt, laugh until your stomach aches, and laugh until the tears are rolling down your face. You've heard it before, laughter is the best medicine. 2. Set daily goals. Self-improvement comes from within, which is why you need to work towards setting your own goals each day. This could be work-related, diet-related, or anything else related. Start small and always reward yourself for meeting the challenges of your daily goals. If you don't make a goal, then don't worry about it. Move on to tomorrow. 3. Buy sexy undies. For all you ladies out there, feel proud of your body with sexy underwear and lingerie. Matching lingerie can also do the trick. Strut through the day knowing you look good underneath those clothes. 4. Face your fears. Are you afraid of heights? Go skydiving. This is one of the most liberating things you can do. When you look your fear in the eye and go for it, even though you feel like you might die, you never look back. 5. Travel to a foreign place. Seeing the sights of a different culture is one of the greatest pleasures in life. Not only will it open your mind to new things, but it will also enhance your love for home and increase your sense of what's important. Traveling is one of the best ways to find yourself, especially when you chose to travel independently. 6. Have fun. Life is not always about work. You need to find that balance. Try to schedule something that is you love to do for at least once a month. This could involve drinks with friends, camping with family, or simply indulging in a day of you. 7. Dress up once in a while. Okay, so prom was ages ago, but this does not mean you cannot doll yourself up once in a while. Putting on a beautiful gown or tuxedo and spending money on new shoes and a new haircut can make you feel like a princess, or a prince. And every person deserves to feel special once in a while. 8. Express your love. Tell your mom you love her. Call up a friend and let her know she's the best, for no reason at all. Showing others how much you mean to them will help you realize how important they really are, and how lucky you are to have them in your life. Knowing that they feel the same about you can truly boost your self-confidence and importance. 9. Make time for hobbies. It's important for people to have hobbies. As we get older, it's easy to stop those extracurricular activities that you loved as a child, such as sports. Look for adult activities such as soccer teams, book clubs, rowing clubs, or birdwatching groups. Keep your passions alive by reconnecting with the hobbies and activities that you once loved. 10. Look down. Take a hike to the top of a cliff that overlooks the city, or jump on an elevator and ride the lift to the top floor and look down. Seeing the world from this above can really put things into a new perspective. 11. Break the pattern. Get up, work, home, gym, dinner, TV, sleep. Does this sound like your pattern to life, or something similar? Break it up. 12. Find a balance. It's all about harmony. Finding that perfect balance comes down to mind, body, and spirit. Work on perfecting all three to gain self-importance. 13. Live for the now. Sure, you need to plan for the future, but live for the moment. This can be a little tricky, but the key is to find that balance between saving for tomorrow and living for today. Opt for a savings account for the future and keep a special account for the now, just in case you see a beautiful dress on sale, or you and your buddies decide to rush off to Vegas for the weekend. 14. Learn something new. Knowledge is power. Whether this is learning a new language, just for the sake of it, learning how to cook, or learning how to make pottery, you are never too old to learn. Learning will keep your mind active and helps improve your sense of self-worth. 15. Dance like there's no one watching. It's the most important tip. This is because, in order to really find your self-worth and truly love your life, you need to feel it from the inside. You need to let go of all the stresses and insecurities of your surroundings, including your finances, your family, your relationships, and your career. So put on your favorite song and release all of insecurities by jiving around your living room. Dance away those work dramas. Dance away those relationship issues. Dance away those money woes. Dance your way to self-improvement. Self-improvement is a long journey that sometimes may feel like an uphill battle both ways. Why walk through the bumps and jolts when you can dance? So, our last self-improvement tip comes from the advice of David Bowie: just dance. The rest will fall into place. This is Self-Hancement, a practical self-help channel. If you find this video valuable for you, please push that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.